14-inch. If you want other diameters, or you need to change the thickness to the thicker one or the thinner one, you can tell us, make the comment. Then we can leave the message or the contact message information together. About the saw blade, maybe you want this saw blade or brand saw blade. Okay, we have the logo on the saw blade. If you have your company and want, okay, may I know what kind of products you want? Because we just introduced our marble saw blade. If you want the granite saw blade or other saw blade, we can introduce more details about the granite saw blade or marble saw blade or porcelain or Decton or other saw blade for you. The thickness of the saw blade is 208 millimeters, and we have do the description of the size and the segment size. For the inner hole, we have two diameters. One is 50 millimeters, another is 60 millimeters.